Actually, it takes away from the tradition. It takes away from what our ancestor taught us. Again, they gave us the guide of how we were, our practices and everything. It's been handed down from generation to generation. I mean, secular religion is basically a new thing for us. It wasn't our belief in the first place. But now that we've adopted it, we have to remember, to know who we are. We need to remember our Garifuna ways, and go back to that. Again, it doesn't take away from religion, our spiritual practices, our beliefs, and everything like that. It does not take away from religion, and it shouldn't have to, because we are who we are.
All right, now let's go into the superstitions. Can you share some of the Garifuna superstitions that you grew up hearing about?
The first Garifuna superstition was from folk tales in the village. The elders would tell the boys to not peep at the girls when they went to the sea to bathe, when they went to the bush or out to the outhouse to relieve themselves, because they would go blind if they saw the girl's body part. Another one was that if you cut a child's hair before they could talk, that they would end up stuttering. It was also bad luck to sweep someone's feet with a broom. There are so many superstitions to recall right now. So, those are just a few. There's, again, lots and lots, but those are just a few that come to my mind at this moment.
Thank you, Mama Garifuna, for your knowledge and for sharing this valuable information with our members of the Gafu Garifuna channel.